Have you ever been confused by words like every day and every day? Or anytime and anytime? They look almost the same, but they're not the same. Today, I'll explain 3 very common English mistakes step by step, so you'll never confuse them again. 1. Everyday versus everyday. 2. Anymore versus anymore. And 3. Anytime versus anytime. Don't worry, I'll explain everything slowly, clearly, and step by step, so even beginners can understand. Part 1. Everyday versus everyday. Let's see and understand their difference. Everyday is one word. It functions as an adjective. It is used to describe something common or normal. Simply say, everyday means ordinary or usual. Whereas, everyday written with 2 words, it functions as an adverb phrase. It tells you when something happens. In other words, every day means each day. Got it right. See these examples to make it clearer. Every day, one word as an adjective. Example, this is my everyday routine. See, routine here is a noun, and the word everyday describes it. Another example, these are my everyday shoes. The word shoes in this sentence is also a noun, which is described by the word everyday. Let's compare to everyday as an adverb of time expression. Example, I study English every day. See, the words everyday in the sentence is and adverb. It answers the question when. When do I study English? And the answer is every day. Here's another example. She exercises every day. When does she exercise? Yes, the answer is every day. Clear, right? Common mistake. This sentence is wrong. I study English every day. If you mean each day, it should be I study English every day. Easy tip. If you can replace it with each day, use 2 words or every day. Part 2. Anymore versus anymore. Let's understand and find the difference. Anymore written in one word, it functions as a time and the meaning is usually negative. Simply say, anymore means now or no longer. What about anymore which is written in 2 words? Well, it functions as a quantity. In other words, anymore means more quantity. See these examples to make it clearer. Anymore, one word at a time. Example, I don't watch TV anymore. It means I stopped watching. Another example, she doesn't live here anymore. It means she has moved. Next, anymore 2 words as a quantity. Example, do you have any more water? It means more water as a quantity. Another example, I don't need any more help. It means your help is now enough for me. Common mistake to avoid. This sentence is incorrect. I don't need any more books. It should be, I don't need any more books. Easy tip. If you can count it or measure it, use any more. But if it means no longer, use any more. Got it? Part 3. Anytime versus anytime. Let's see and understand the difference. First, anytime written in one word. It means informal, and it is used as an adverb in a sentence. Simply say, anytime means whenever, and this is informal. While anytime written in 2 words. It functions as a noun phrase, and this is more formal. In other words, anytime means at any moment. It is more formal or precise. See these examples. Anytime. one word as an informal use. Example, call me anytime. Another example, you can visit me anytime. Next, anytime, two words. This is a formal use, which usually comes after prepositions. Example, you can call me at any time. See, anytime comes after the preposition at. Another example, come by at any time. Common mistake to avoid. Incorrect sentence, call me at any time. It should be, call me at any time. Easy tip. After prepositions, such as at, in, on, etc., use two words or anytime. Quick review. Let's summarize. 1. Everyday, one word. It functions as an adjective. It's a kind of everyday life. 2. Everyday, two words. It means each day. 3. Anymore, one word, meaning no longer. 4. Anymore, two words. It means more quantity. 5. Anytime, one word. This is informal. And 6. Anytime, two words. This is formal and comes after prepositions. Wow, easy, right? Now it's your turn. Write your own sentences using 1. Every day, 2. Anymore, and 3. Anytime. I'll check them for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't for more easy English lessons. See you in the next video.